Hey guys, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Today we are checking out two affordable wired headphones from Zebronics. Yes, the first one is Zebronics Zeb 200HM, and that is headphone with mic, and the other one is Zebronics Phoenix gaming headphone. Both are budget friendly, both come with a mic, but they are totally different types of headphones. So today we will unbox them and compare their features and test the mic and sound quality. And finally we will decide which one you should buy. So let's begin it. So first we will unbox this Zebronics headphone with mic, that is Zeb 200HM. The packaging is very simple guys, bright yellow box with headphone picture in the front. And on the side you can see the key features. It is adjustable headband, 1.8 meter of cable and dual 3.5 mm of jack. Let's unbox this first. Yes guys, inside the box we get the headphone itself wrapped nicely and no extra accessories. That's it. You can see guys, the cable is permanently attached and ends in a dual 3.5 mm of audio jacks, so one for audio and one for mic. Now let's open this Zebronics gaming headphone Zeb Phoenix. And here we get our headphone itself, nicely packed. And on the front you can see guys some key features. It has adjustable mic, volume controller, dual to dual pin converter and 1.8 braided cable, and it has 40 mm of neodymium drives and mic on off switch. So inside the box we get a one headphone itself and a extra single to dual pin of converter, and here is our mic. Very nice, best for gamers, and also adjustable headband. The one is lightweight, simple and totally minimal, soft padding on the dashboard, decent sized ear cups and a flexible mic, and it designed for calls, online classes, office work and simple media watching. And also the headband has a cushion, the headband also adjustable. And about the wire guys, the wire is very thin, you can see here. It's very lightweight and it is very thin wire here we get. And now talking about the second one, Zebronics Phoenix one, is the Phoenix is completely gaming headset. You get a large cushioned ear cups, you can see. Wow, very nice. It is exactly for gamers, and a dual tone red and a black design, RGB lightning and a adjustable mic also. It's like exactly made for gamers, and the headband also adjustable, and plus the cable is 1.8 meter long and a braided one. Look at guys, very strong and durable wire, feels durable and premium. And also here we get a single to dual pin converter, and also here we get a volume controller and on off button also. So now talking about the both features is this headphone has 40 mm of drivers, lightweight build, flexible microphone and dual 3.5 mm of audio plus mic, and best for office, classes and general use. And the other one is Zebronics Phoenix features is it is also come with 40 mm of drivers but tuned for gaming bass, a RGB lightning, adjustable mic and also a inline volume controller designed for gaming, movies, bass heavy audio. Yes guys, now let's test these both headphones.
Right in my mind, and then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you. Fire out. You. Turn it all around.
The audio here is clean, balanced and actually pretty decent for budget user guys. Yes, bass is average, vocals are clear, and overall it's perfect for online classes, calls and normal music listening. Now let's test the next one. Wow guys, look at this RGB, very nice. It's perfect for gamers guys.
It started out on a Wednesday and I couldn't figure out why you would be mad at me. Whoa, you say it's nothing but
Now the Phoenix definitely has that gaming punch guys. Yes, the bass is stronger, the soundstage feels wider, and the game effects it's nicely listen, and also the music is very nice and the bass is very stronger. Best for gaming because game effects like footsteps, gunshots and environments are more impressive for this. For movies and gaming, this one feels much more powerful. Now it's time for mic testing.
This is a microphone test of Zebronics ZEP200HM. I'm speaking normally at a comfortable distance. The 200HM is mainly made for online classes, office calls and basics voice chatting. You can hear that the voice sounds clear but slightly flat. Now this is the microphone test of the Zebronics ZEP Phoenix gaming headset. Immediately you can hear that the audio is louder and clearer. This mic picks up more detail in the voice and isolates some background noise which compared the 200HM.
Yes guys, this one mic is good for classes, Zoom calls and or online meetings. Voice is clear but not ultra crisp. And this one, the Phoenix mic sound clearer, louder and has better background noise rejection. And for gaming, voice chats or streaming beginners, this is the much better. So which one should you buy? So comparison summary is here guys. Yes, choose this one if you want a lightweight headphone. You mainly attend calls, classes, meetings, so you want something simple and comfortable, so you can go for this. Because and if you don't want any RGB or gaming bass, so you can go for this one. And you have dual, and if you have a dual audio mic port on your PC, so you can go for this. And choose this one if you play games, you want stronger bass and louder output, you want RGB lights and you need a adjustable mic, and also you want a durable braided cables and want better sound clarity for movies and music, so you can go for this one. So now it's time for revealing the prices of this both one. This Zebronics ZEP200HM you will get between 400 to 500, and this Zebronics gaming headphones Phoenix is you will get under 1200. And if you enjoyed this video guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more tech reviews. I will see you in the next one.